Welcome to Joy of Clean. We're so glad to have you joining us. My name's Taylor. I'm the owner, and I just wanted to go over a couple of things before your first day. So, we are going to be getting you logged into Facebook Workplace. That is an awesome way that we can communicate, and there's a lot of training material in there so that you feel set up for success. So, you're going to be linking up with someone in the field and being shown how to clean, of course, but one of the big things is sometimes it is hard to show all of that in the home, so we want to make sure we also pair that with some written material and some videos just to make sure that you are fully supported. So all of that information is in our training and learning tab. So when you log into Workplace, you're going to go under the Everyone group, and sometimes it comes up on the main tab and it'll say Learning. Sometimes you have to click More and you click Learning. And before your first day, you're going to go through guides 1 through 6. It sounds like a lot. They're pretty quick. Some of the videos are a little bit long, but that is where you're going to get the most information. So make sure you set aside some time to do that. The videos themselves might take you an hour or so, but everything else should be pretty quick that you're able to go through. Make sure you grab a notebook. Make sure you're able to take some notes. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to the office. We do want to make sure that you save the office number, which is 972-357-1278. You can save that number to your phone because you're going to be reaching out to us a lot, especially when you first start. You might have a lot of questions, and there are some guides in there that talk about when to reach out to the office or maybe some other things that are really going to help you out in there. So once you watch those videos, that should really help you. It's going to go over the differences in cleans. There's a lot of information in there, and you're going to have some quizzes as well. Once you finish all of those first 6 guides, reach back out to us and let us know that you're ready for your first day in the field. We're super glad to have you on the team.